Hey, welcome back to Someday Travel. You guys really did enjoy that Colonel Taylor little taste of a little neat and over a little rock and a little country boy salt, you know, not the snobby kind of what does it do. So I figured you like Colonel Taylor, everybody likes a little Angels Envy. So let's open up a fresh bottle right here. We're gonna do it neat. We're gonna pour it over the ice, do it on the rocks. And then I know everybody's like, oh, you gotta do it neat, but kind of what I've learned in my bourbon drinking experiences is, I'll tell you I've had a few, all right, is I like the neat for a brand new bourbon that I've never had before. I'll try neat right off the go, right? Just to get that flavor. But then when I really enjoy it, I do believe the ice really does open it up. So let's just do a little pour. Look, that's probably a little one finger. If I'm drinking by myself, it's gonna be the two finger. But we're gonna give this Angels Envy a nice little drink here, a little swirl. Now let's be honest, look, I ain't no snob. I can't read the labels like these other boys give you the history of it, but I am gonna give you the straight up opinion, straight out the bottle. What kind of palate do I think it have? And what's later on too is I've been toying with the idea of maybe filming the whole thing and show you what it really does after I've had about 3 or 4 of these things. Tell you the kind of sobering, unsobering effects it brings to you. But let's get to this Angels Envy. Let's see what we got here. Let's be completely honest. Now, it don't have a strong heat smell like a lot of them will burn your damn nose hair as soon as you take a drink. This one, actually, it's not very more mild. But let's just get this thing on the palate here. It's got a good toasty little flavor. You know, I'm always shooting for since I started drinking bourbon, I've always wanted those caramel flavors. I'm not gonna say I got really caramelly right here, but it's not hot, it's smooth. You definitely can drink it neat, sip it neat anyway. But for me personally, go ahead, throw it down there and tell me I'm wrong. But I'm telling you that block, once it breaks it, I think you get more flavors this way. And definitely opened it up. But now here's my hidden secret. And I can't wait to see how many of you guys laugh about this one. What? Yeah, I do a little chasing with some Dr. Pepper. And I say chasing because I've learned in my bourbon drinking, I can't mix my bourbon with Coke and mix it all together. I can't even mix it with the Dr. Pepper. To me, it makes it too sweet, too sugary. So, sorry Jack Daniel drinkers and Gentleman Jack and Jim Beam and all that, like your Beam and Cokes, man, that tastes like damn candy water to me. But if I break it with a little ice, let that hit the palate, go after it with this Dr. Pepper. They say Dr. Pepper's got 57 flavors. You add a little bourbon to it, you'll have 101. I'll let you know afterwards. But Angels Envy has been a favorite of mine, so it's hard for me to critique it. You know, and it's also, let's talk about the price level of this bottle. Depending on where you're at, it's about a $60 to $70 bottle. So you're past the mid-range bourbons. So this is one of my preferred drinkers. We'll get into my list of my top 5 bourbons that I drink at the bar. You could cheat if you want to pause the video and kind of zoom in and see which bottles are up there the best. But I'll go over each and every bottle, and maybe this video will continue. If you guys really like this one, check out some of my other stuff. If you really want me to go on, just like and share, and we'll give you another opinion. But right now, Angels Envy, scale of 1 to 10, that's my 9.5. And if you really like what I'm doing here, go ahead and throw a comment on there and tell me the bourbon you'd like for me to try and give you my opinion on it. But to me, Angels Envy, like I said, scale of 1 to 10, 9.5, smooth, great flavors. It also gives you a really good after effect. After about 3 or 4 of these, I'm in my zone. I feel really, really good. All right, because you've seen some of these other bourbons I've tried, haven't posted out there yet, but I'll let you know kind of the depressive state, make you feel upbeat, all that. Let's just go through all the emotions that bourbon can bring for you. All right, and hey, if you're interested in some of this stuff on the back, my favorite little piece is my map right here. I'll zoom in and get it on there. But get the map, this map, if you're interested in it. I'm gonna put a link in the description below, and check it out. But this is probably my favorite piece on my bar, is my world map. All right. And with this map, you know, you can change colors of the map. Well, I think my battery's dead. Take my word for it. You can change the colors on the map, and you can flip it to different colors. Me, blue just goes with what I like. And these little fire things here are amazing for your bar. That link in the description below. All you do is fill them with alcohol. They run. They're spot on. But try you some Angels Envy. Like I said, this is definitely in my top 5 everyday drinkers. I think it's, like I said, definitely in my top 5 of my everyday drinkers. Go ahead, slam me for the Dr. Pepper section. I look forward to showing you guys where Angels Envy will take you. All right. Have a good night. Sunday travel. If you ain't done no shit, put your day on the calendar and make it happen. See where I'm going. Just got back from Costa Rica. I got a Thailand trip coming up here in a couple of weeks. And I might actually head back into Costa Rica the first of the month. I'm gonna share some of those videos for you also, but that's in debate. Live, love, dream. Peace out.